This is Angels of the Afterlife vocal test. Song I will be doing is Silverthorn by Kamelot. Beginning in 3, 2, 1, beginning. Curse or repayment, the truth or illusions, the noble asylum. When dark hours linger, the sinister silence unfolds in a millions of tears. The sweetness of sound turns a raging thunder, the nerdy serenade in the moonlight, the bringer of pain, the stored on a silver plate. I am frozen, betrayed by myself. When will this end? Same old pavilion, different appearance, playing the Messiah. Dark times forsaken, a thorn made of silver is holding a will to go on. The sweetness of sound turns a raging thunder, the deadly serenade in the moonlight, the bringer of pain. I fear on a silver plate. I am frozen, betrayed by myself. When will this end? I hope you guys enjoyed. This was only a test. Please rate, comment, and favorite when you get a chance. And please subscribe to me if you are not. Have a nice day.